Guys, we are at the Grammys. It's right there. We're gonna be unboxing the VHS Wolverine, and I'm with this beautiful girl. Wow.
Builds connections and meets people right where they are. Today's nominees, good luck, you're true. Please scan the QR code on your screen so you can follow along with the run of today's show.
Best Metal Performance. The nominees are Sleep Token, Spirit Box, Turnstile.
And the Grammy goes to...
Never Enough. The community we found through punk and hardcore music has given us a safe place to swing in the dark and land somewhere beautiful. So to our family, our friends, our partners, our peers, and to Baltimore.
Zach Top.
And the Grammy goes to... Chris Stapleton.